Okay, in this video, I will show you how to operate the lights in the auditorium. As you can see right now, it is completely dark. So to get lights above the seating, called the house lights, we're going to slide front and rear lights up, and that turns those lights on. Additionally, you can turn those lights on and off with this switch. You push that red button, the lights turn off. Push it again, the lights turn on above the seating. Next, we have the perimeter lights. When those are turned on, that engages the safety lights that are along the ramp on each side of the stage. When we turn up stage 1, that turns the lights on above the stage. So when I turn it down, turns them off, slide it up, turns them on. Stage 2 is open, there's nothing connected to that, and this open slider does nothing as well. The aisle lights, when we push the aisle lights on, it turns the lights on the seats in the aisles on. And finally, the blues light, when you push that, there are some lights backstage over on the side wings that turn on. They're just visible backstage, so most of the time you will not need those unless you have people using backstage. So that is how you turn on and turn off all of the lights in the main lights in the auditorium. Now, if you have a specific stage scene that you would like to have, so if there's certain theatrical style lighting that you would like above the stage, you can let Mr. Barnhill or Mrs. Leffler know that in advance, and we can get that set up for you and saved onto one of these presets, 6, 7, 8, and 9. We can save those settings onto there, and then when you push that button, or 7 or 8 or 9, whichever one, it will display your scene on the stage. We don't have any programmed right now, but if you'd like that, just get in touch with Mr. Barnhill or Mrs. Leffler. And finally, preset 1, when we push that button, that turns on some safety work lights on the side of the stage. So if you have people here working on the stage, it's a good idea to turn those on in addition to the stage 1 lights, so they have plenty of light and don't trip over anything or break anything. Preset 2, 3, 4, and 5 are not in use. So that's the whole light panel.